Once upon a time, a mother dog lived with her little puppies near a village. They were a happy family and stayed together every day. A kind man came every day and brought them enough. One day, the kind man stopped coming. The puppies waited and waited, but no food came. They began to feel hungry and sad.
Stay here, my children. I will go and find food. The mother dog worked hard and brought some food, but it was not enough for everyone. She divided the food into small portions. When the big puppy saw that his little siblings were still hungry, he quietly shared his food with them and took care of them.
After some days, the kind man came back again with plenty of food. Now there was enough food for everyone, and the puppies were very happy.
Caring for each other is very important. Always take care of your little siblings. Share with love and help each other.
Sharing and taking care of each other brings happiness to the whole family.